is time for a TNT workshop quick pro tip. Everybody's well aware that their bench vise has knurled surfaces on the faces, and that makes it really great for gripping things. But what if you're working with wood, in particular a soft wood like pine, and you clamp down on your piece of wood? What happens? You end up knurling your wood. So how do you fix that? Magnetic vise jaws. So these magnetic vise jaws, you can see on the back, are 3 magnets to hold it in place, and on the front, although it's knurled, it's a rubber material that does have some give and forgiveness, unlike the metal knurling on your jaw face. So to install them, you just simply slide them over your jaws. And you're good to go. Let's try that wood piece again. And there you have it. No knurling. Well, that's going to be the end of our super quick pro tip for the TNT shop today. If you're worried about when you're using your bench vise that you're going to scuff up the piece you're working on, you may want to consider these super simple magnetic face coverings that you can get on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. They're also good to cover up minor damages in the surface of the face of your vise if you have some chips. But yeah, you can put them on and off as needed. Super simple. If you got any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Magnetic face. If you're concerned about something. So anyway, that's it for this episode. If you like